Hey everyone, welcome. Ever thought about getting into real estate? It might seem impossible, especially if you're not rolling in dough. But guess what? You don't need a ton of money to start building wealth through real estate. I'm here to tell you that real estate investing is achievable, even if you're starting small. We're going to break down some awesome strategies that require little to no upfront cash. Get ready to learn how to make your money work for you. Okay, so why real estate? Why not just stick your money in a savings account? Here's the thing. Real estate is a tangible asset. That means you're investing in something real, something you can see and touch. And get this, real estate tends to appreciate in value over time. As inflation rises, so does the value of your property. Plus, you can generate passive income by renting it out. It's a win-win. Let's dive into our first strategy, house hacking. This is one of my favorite ways to get started in real estate with little money down. Here's the idea. You buy a multi-unit property, like a duplex or triplex, live in one unit, and rent out the others. The rent you collect from your tenants helps cover your mortgage and other expenses. In some cases, it can even cover everything, meaning you're living rent-free. Meanwhile, you're building equity and growing your wealth. Now, finding the right house hack is key. Look for properties in up-and-coming neighborhoods with good rental demand. Don't be afraid to negotiate with sellers and shop around for the best mortgage rates. Remember, this is a long-term investment, so be patient and do your research. A little effort up front can lead to big rewards down the line. Wholesaling profit from properties, no purchase necessary. Next up, let's talk about wholesaling. This is a fantastic strategy for those who want to dive into real estate without the need for substantial capital. This strategy is perfect if you're short on cash, but have a knack for finding great deals. Wholesaling allows you to leverage your skills in identifying undervalued properties and turning them into profitable opportunities. Here's how it works. You find undervalued properties, put them under contract, and then find a buyer willing to pay more than your contract price. Essentially, you are securing the property at a lower price and selling the contract at a higher price. The key is to act quickly and efficiently. Once you have the property under contract, you need to market it to potential buyers. This could be other investors, rehabbers, or even end users looking for a good deal. You're essentially acting as a middleman, connecting sellers with buyers. Your role is crucial as you facilitate the transaction, ensuring both parties get what they want, and pocketing the difference as your profit. This difference, known as the assignment fee, is your reward for finding the deal and bringing the parties together. The best part? You don't even need to buy the property yourself. This means you avoid the risks and responsibilities of property ownership, such as maintenance, taxes, and insurance. Wholesaling is a low-risk, high-reward strategy that can be incredibly lucrative if done correctly. To get started, you'll need to build a network of potential buyers and sellers. Attend real estate seminars, join local investment groups, and use online platforms to connect with other investors. The more connections you have, the easier it will be to find and close deals. Additionally, it's important to stay informed about the real estate market trends. Understanding the market will help you identify undervalued properties and make informed decisions. Keep an eye on property values, neighborhood developments, and economic indicators. Legal knowledge is also crucial. Familiarize yourself with real estate contracts and local laws to ensure your deals are legally sound. Consider consulting with a real estate attorney to avoid any legal pitfalls. With dedication and the right approach, wholesaling can be a highly profitable venture. So if you're ready to start making money in real estate without the need for large investments, wholesaling might just be the perfect strategy for you. Mastering the art of the wholesale deal. To be successful in wholesaling, you need to become a master deal finder. Network with real estate agents, attend auctions, and scour online listings for properties with potential. Once you have a property under contract, market it to your network of investors and close the deal. Wholesaling takes hustle and negotiation skills, but it can be a lucrative way to break into real estate investing without a large sum of money. REIs, investing in real estate simplified. Maybe you're thinking, that's all great, but what if I don't want to be a landlord or spend hours hunting for deals? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's talk about REITs, or real estate investment trusts. REITs are companies that own or finance income-producing real estate. Think shopping malls, apartment buildings, office spaces, you name it. By investing in REITs, you're essentially buying a small piece of these properties. Choosing the right REIT for you. The beauty of REITs is that they offer a hands-off approach to real estate investing. You don't have to deal with tenants, repairs, or any of the hassles of property management. Plus, REITs are highly liquid, meaning you can buy and sell them easily on stock exchanges. When choosing REITs, consider your investment goals and risk tolerance. Do your research, diversify your portfolio, and watch your money grow. Taking the first step, your real estate journey begins now. We've covered a lot of ground today, from house hacking to wholesaling to REITs. Each strategy offers a unique path to building wealth in real estate, even if you're starting with limited capital. The key is to choose the strategy that aligns best with your financial situation, risk appetite, and long-term goals. Don't be afraid to start small and learn as you go. Remember, every real estate mogul you know started somewhere. The journey of real estate investment is not just about financial gain, but also about creating a space where memories are made and lives are enriched. Education is a crucial part of this journey. Attend seminars, read books, and engage with experienced investors to continually expand your knowledge. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions that can lead to long-term success. Seek out mentors who can provide guidance and share their experiences. Their insights can be invaluable as you navigate the complexities of the real estate market. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. Each step forward is a step closer to achieving your real estate goals. Keep your vision clear and stay focused on your objectives. The road may be long, but with persistence and dedication, you can turn your real estate dreams into reality. Networking is another powerful tool. Connect with other investors, real estate agents, and professionals in the industry. Building a strong network can open doors to new opportunities and partnerships. Always be proactive in seeking out new deals and opportunities. The real estate market is dynamic, and staying ahead requires constant effort and vigilance. Your real estate journey begins now. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and keep moving forward. The future is bright for those who dare to take the first step. Your real estate investing toolkit. To set yourself up for success, arm yourself with the right tools and resources. Connect with other investors, attend local real estate meetups, and never stop learning. There are tons of books, podcasts, and online courses available to help you sharpen your real estate investing skills. Knowledge is power, and in the world of real estate, the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and maximize your returns. Conclusion: building your future, brick by brick. This journey is not just about laying physical bricks, but also about laying the foundation for your financial future. Real estate investing might seem daunting at first, but remember, you don't have to do it alone. There are countless resources, mentors, and communities ready to support you every step of the way. Whether you're a novice or an experienced investor, collaboration and learning from others can significantly enhance your journey. With the right strategies and a little bit of hustle, you can achieve financial freedom and build a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. Imagine the joy of securing a stable income, the pride of owning multiple properties, and the peace of mind that comes with financial security. Real estate is not just an investment, it's a pathway to a better life. So what are you waiting for? The world of real estate is vast and full of opportunities. It's time to harness your potential and take control of your financial destiny. Every great journey begins with a single step, and your journey to real estate success is no different. Take that first step today. Whether it's attending a seminar, reading a book, or reaching out to a mentor, every action you take brings you closer to your goal. The key is to start and to keep moving forward, no matter how small the steps may seem. Choose your strategy, do your research, and start building your real estate empire one brick at a time. From rental properties to flipping houses, there are numerous strategies to explore. Find what resonates with you and dive deep into learning and executing your plan. I'm rooting for you. Your success is within reach, and with dedication and perseverance, you can turn your dreams into reality. Now I want to hear from you. Your journey and experiences are valuable, and sharing them can inspire and help others who are on the same path. Let's create a community where we can learn and grow together. Which strategy are you most excited about? Is it buying rental properties, flipping houses, or perhaps investing in commercial real estate? Each strategy has its unique benefits and challenges, and I'm curious to know what excites you the most. What questions do you have about real estate investing? No question is too small or too big. Whether it's about financing, market trends, or property management, your inquiries can lead to valuable discussions and insights. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Your input can spark new ideas and provide support to others. Together, we can build a community of successful real estate investors, helping each other achieve our dreams, one brick at a time.